Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Wear gloves and eye protection before starting the 12V battery change. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off all electronics. Remove key from the ignition. Use a 10mm wrench and an insulated socket to avoid short circuits, and connect a 12V memory saver to the OBD port or cigarette lighter to preserve radio and ECU settings. Confirm your replacement battery is 12V and approximately 70 Ah with 680, a cold cranking amps to match factory specifications. Disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid sparks and short circuits. Loosen the nut and slide the clamp away from the post. Next, disconnect the positive terminal and tuck the cable to the side so it cannot touch metal. Loosen any hold-down bracket or tray bolts with the 10mm wrench, then support the battery with both hands and lift it straight out. Batteries weigh around 15 to 25 pounds. Avoid touching the positive terminal to any grounded metal while removing the battery to prevent dangerous arcs. Install the replacement battery with the positive terminal connected before the negative to reduce risk of shorting. Seat the battery in the tray, secure the hold-down bracket, and tighten the clamp bolts snugly but do not over-torque. A firm hand tight is sufficient. Reconnect the negative terminal last, remove the 12V memory saver, and confirm voltage reads about 12. 6V at rest. Start the engine, reset clocks and radio presets, and verify that doors, windows, and drive assist systems function correctly. Recycle the old.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.